Tudia Cases for the iPhone XR or XR and the LG V40. So I want to give a shout out to Tudia for sending these over. Let's dive in. Tudia Lin for the iPhone XR. Information kind of booklet here so you can see. Put that to the side and then let's take a look at the case. Got the fake XR inside and then here's the case itself. You have some Tudia branding on the inside of the case, Tudia Lin, as you can see right there, and a little bit of a pattern on the inside of the case. Simple TPU case. From the front, it's going to look like this. It's going to blend in perfectly with the phone. And you flip it over in the back, it's going to look like this. Now, depending on the color you get, this is the red iPhone XR. You can see a little bit of the color through the cutout right there, so you can see. And then back here, you have some Tudia branding on the bottom, a carbon fiber-ish kind of pattern on the top and bottom of the case, so you can see right there. And then on the sides, it is ridged a little bit to improve grip. See, on the sides, you have your cutout here for your switch, raised volume buttons. On the bottom, your cutouts for your speaker and lightning port. On this side, raised button for your power. Nice and clicky. No issues with that. And the volume rocker. Nice and clicky. Yeah, these Tudia cases, they always have nice and clicky buttons. And access to the switch. No problem. You have a mini front lip here. So I would be very careful placing this flat on a table. And finally, let's check out the wireless charge. Should work. Works, no problems. Here's the Tudia merge case for the iPhone XR. Same kind of packaging here. You have a fake XR inside. Put that to the side, and this is the case. So you can see Tudia merge branding on the inside of the case. Right there, so you can see. And a little bit of a pattern on the inside as well. Let's go ahead and put the XR in. Nice and easy. From the front, it's going to look like this. And you flip it over in the back, it's going to look like that. Now, similar to the previous case, this is your cutout. Depending on the color iPhone XR you get, you're going to see the color through here. Very nice. And this is a two-part case. Hard plastic polycarbonate on the back and TPU here on the inside of the case. Tudia branding on this area and a little bit of a pattern here. It's glossy. Cutout for your slider. Easy access to that. Raise button for your volume. And on the sides here, it's ridged a little bit to improve grip. On the bottom, cutouts for your speaker and lightning port. On this side, raise button for your power and that same pattern here on this side as well. Top's totally clean. And on the cutout here on the camera, it is raised a little bit. So if you lay this down flat on the backside, camera lens should be protected. You have a little bit of a lip here. So you lay this down flat on the table, the glass should be protected. If you have a tempered glass, even better. Nice and clicky on the buttons. No issues. And the volume rocker, same thing. So let's check out the wireless charging. Should work. Works like a charm. The Tudia merge case for the LG V40, as you can see, comes with this information kind of thing here. Take a look at that. And this is the packaging. A little bit different than the other two. We'll rip this open. On the inside of the case, it says Tudia merge, and you do have a pattern on the inside as well. This is a two-part case. Hard plastic, and the inside of it, it's TPU. Check out the power button. Nice and clicky on that. No issues. And the volume rocker, same thing. A little bit harder for press, but nothing too bad. Once this case kind of breaks in, it'll feel even better. And the Google Assistant button works like a charm. Cutouts for your fingerprint scanner, your 3 cameras, and your flash right there. Tudia branding here on the bottom. A little bit of a design here on the bottom part of the case. On the sides, you do have a little bit of a ridge pattern here on each side to improve book grip. Cutouts here on the bottom. Headphone jack, a very nice feature. Mic, USB Type-C cutout, speaker. This side of the case, raise button for the power. On top, cutout for your microphone. You have a good amount of front lip here, especially on the top and bottom part. As you can see, it raises from the screen right there. So if you lay this phone flat on the table, the glass should not touch the surface. If you have a tempered glass, even better. And let's check out the fingerprint scanner. Should be nice and easy. Boom, there you go. So these are the Tudia cases for the LG V40 and the iPhone XR. If you're interested in these cases, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.